Hello friends, the first topic that we are going to see today is nothing but the design of water tank. Say this is the water tank which has a length of 6 feet and a breadth of 6 feet and a height of 5 feet. That is length 6 feet, breadth 6 feet and a height 5 feet. We know the volume formula, that is LBH. LBH is equal to 6 feet into 6 feet into 5 feet. It's nothing but 180 cubic feet. Then this is the formula for the conversion. Note this down. That is 1 cubic feet is equal to 28 liter. For this is the approximate value. For accurate value, that is 1 cubic feet is equal to 28.3 liters. Now we are going to convert this cubic feet into liters. That is 180 cubic feet that we got now. That is 180 cubic feet is equal to, that is 1 cubic feet is equal to 28 liters. Then 180 cubic feet is equal to 180 into this 28 liters. Then we can find the capacity of the tank. That is, the capacity of the tank is 5040 liters. And here are some important notes. Generally, the height of the tank should not be greater than 6 feet, because if a person get into this tank for cleaning, he should be able to come out by himself. This is general practice, but in some of the cases it might not be used. This LBH, that is this L, this B, this H, are nothing but the inner dimension of the tank. It does not include the brickwork or the RCC thickness or like that. It includes only the inner dimensions of the tank. That is wall thickness not included. Third topic. Say if you are designing for a 5000 liter tank, we should always design it for 100 liter more. That is 5100 liter, because we will not fill the whole tank with water. That is, with up to the top we will not fill. We will fill up to a certain distance below the top. So only we are designing 100 liter more than what we have designed for. So this is a square or rectangular tank, right? This is the procedure for square or rectangular tank. Now we are going to see for the capacity of a cylindrical tank. For the formula for the capacity or volume of the cylinder is 5r squared h. This r is nothing but this radius. Generally it is 3 feet and the height is nothing but 6 feet 6 inches. So if the radius is 3 feet, then we know the diameter is 2 times of the radius. That is, diameter is equal to 6 feet. Radius is 3 feet, height is 6 feet 6 inches. Now the capacity formula is pi r squared h. Pi into r squared, that is 3 into 3. That is 3 squared into h. H is nothing but, we are converting in feet, that is 6.5 feet into is equal to 183 cubic feet. We know the formula, that is 1 cubic feet is equal to 28 liters, or 1 cubic feet is equal to exactly 28.3 liters. Now conversion. 180 cubic feet is equal to this 183 into this 28 liters. So the capacity of tank will come around 5124 liters. Thank you.